right? Now, if we want to enable video generation with Grok, we have to enable it. So again, we go back to Hermes Tools here. So if we type in Hermes Tools inside our terminal, and then from here we can configure the CLI. We're going to go to tool configuration, and then we're going to go down to video generation. And you can see here, we're just going to enable that, right? That's basically how it works. So this allows us to generate videos with Grok now directly too, which is pretty cool. We can also do text to speech with the voice from Grok. We've got image generation, and we've got the Twitter search as well. So the other thing that I really like about Grok, from what I've seen so far, is that it's really fast to reply, right? Really quick to use, very speedy. So I'm going to plug in video generation here. Let's try that now. And then we just click done, and then we're going to restart the Hermes gateway. I'm also going to give it, just to make it easier to understand, we're going to take in the details here from the documentation on News Portal. I'm going to plug that into Hermes Agent. I'm going to say, using Grok, generate a video of a cat eating a banana. And let's just see what happens. So you can see it might have had an error there. We'll test out in a sec and see what happens. If there's an error, no problem at all. We can come back to it in a minute. And so the cool thing about this, and let's just enable this 1 second. It says it's not configured yet. So let's go to Hermes Tools, configure CLI. Then I'm going to reconfigure video generation, and we'll switch from FAL to X. So that's what we needed to do right there to get it working. And so now we should be able to, because I'm already subscribed to Twitter, basically I can use Hermes Agent for free, and anyone else can who's subscribed to Twitter as well using this process, which is pretty cool. So you make your agents way more powerful, which is awesome. All right, so it's generated that so quickly, as you can see right here. And if we open that up, boom, we have a cat skateboarding with Hermes Agent, right? So Hermes Agent can now generate videos. It can search Twitter. It can generate images, right? And we can also use the text to speech features as well, right? Which I'll come on to in a second. So I'm just going to check this inside Agent OS as well. So let me create an image of a dragon skateboarding here, and we'll hit enter and just check that's working inside Agent OS so that everything's integrated nicely. In the meantime, what I'm also going to set up is Hermes text to speech with Grok. So again, we're going to go run Hermes Tools as a command. Then we're going to configure CLI. We're going to go to text to speech. Let's find it on the list. There we go. So it's text to speech here. And then we're going to click on that.